My dear students, I am your social teacher, MVM School, Yelahanka, Newton. Children, today's lesson, Part 2, History, second lesson. Rise of British political supremacy in India. Lesson overview, Battle of Plassey, causes for the Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, causes for the Battle of Buxar, Carnatic Wars, first, second, and third Carnatic Wars. Next, subsidiary alliances and doctrine of lapse. So, this is the cunning policy of Britishers. So, rise of British political supremacy in India. Children, already first lesson, you know that who are the Europeans can came to India, who's the between competition can started. So, who's the Europeans? Who are the Europeans came to India? Britishers, French, Portuguese, and Dutch. So, who's first came to India? Portuguese. Who's the Portuguese navigator? Vasco da Gama. So, when Vasco came to India? 1498. So, already you know the lesson. So, competition can start at Britishers and French only. The Portuguese and Dutch had withdrawn from India, unable to withstand the competition from French and English by 18th century. Finally, French and English resorted to show strength in order to establish their political supremacy over India. Meanwhile, political volatility aroused their political supremacy overall in the regions of Hyderabad and Carnatic region, Bengal region. So all the regions can started political supremacy. So first topic, Battle of Plassey. So when was Battle of Plassey held? 1757 century only. So the Bengal was a prosperous province of the Mughal Empire. Its provincial governor Ali Vardi Khan became independent when the Mughal Empire started to decline after him. Sirajuddaulah became the Nawab of Bengal. Sirajuddaulah became the Nawab of Bengal. The Nawab Sirajuddaulah was still in his youth. The British neglected him and strengthened their fort William without his permission. So already you know that any Europeans can came to India first got the permission. But Britishers neglected to Sirajuddaulah and can strengthened the William fort also and misused the trade exemptions given to them. So Britishers only can exemptions to the given to them. So causes for the Battle of Plassey. What are the reasons for Battle of Plassey? So you go to 10th standard. So only three causes. Already you know that misuse the Dastakas, mending of the fort without permission. So which fort already you know that William Port and Black Room tragedy. So this is the main reasons or main causes for the Battle of Plassey. Sirajuddaulah felt that English were disobeying his order and supporting his enemies, irked by his captured English warehouses. This became the reasons for the Battle of Plassey. Misuse the Dastakas. So that is the first point. On hearing in news of Nawab Sirajuddaulah attack, an officials of Madras Company sent an army under the commandership of Robert Clive to Calcutta. Clive, who had the knowledge of Bengal situation, entered into a secret pact, so one agreement with the military commander of Siraj and Mir Jafar by offering the post of Nawab. So you come to our side. So Britishers and help to Mir Jafar, so can become a Nawaba, so can give the post of Nawaba. So that's why all the Sirajuddaulah side, who are the commander, military commander, can cooperate to Britishers. The commander of Nawab army, Mir Jafar, entered into a secret pact with the British in his desire to become the Nawab. He was expected to give thousand sorry 175 lakh rupees to the British when he became the Nawab. This shady deal with is brokered by the merchant of Amin Chan. So this is the misuse. The British and Siraj-ud-Dowla armies clashed at Plassey on June 23rd, 1757 century. Mir Jafar supported to the British in the war. Finally, Siraj-ud-Dowla was defeated in the war due to the treachery, and the British won the war. With this, the British colonialism was established. So finally, occupied the Bengal regions, Britishers only. So next, what is the result of Plassey War? In the history of modern India, Battle of Plassey is one of the decisive battle. Defeat of Siraj-ud-Dowla. He was very brave emperor, enabled the English to play a major role in Bengal politics. Because of the British favor, Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal, but he became a puppet in the hands of the British. So that is a puppet only. British East India Company earned huge money and obtained control of Jamindari system in a district called 24 Paragana. Plassey battle later became the causes for the Battle of Buxar. English who come as traders obtained the power to administrate. Victory in the Plassey led to the establishment of British Empire in India. So can settle permanently. So many places can occupy, surrounding places also. So can collecting taxes also. That's why so can establish the British Empire in India. So next topic, Battle of Buxar, 1764 century. So Mir Jafar failed to fulfill the endless demands of British. Already you know that Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal, but he became a puppet in the hands of British. So Mir Jafar cannot fulfill the demands of British. So they dethroned Mir Jafar and brought in his nephew Mir Qasim to power. So as it is Mir Jafar post can nephew Mir Qasim can got the power, the post. What is the causes of Battle of Buxar? Mir Qasim was independent in his outlook. After verifying the misuse of dastakas, he made all trade in Bengal tax free. There is no one person's, Britishers especially cannot give the taxes and only can collect the taxes. Bengal is overall in charge. This made the British to face the competition from the Indian merchants. So they dethroned Mir Qasim and once again brought back to Mir Qasim to the throne. And irritated by his move, Mir Qasim gained friendship of the Nawab of Oudh, Shuja-ud-Dowla and Shalam II of Mughal kingdom. With their help, he declared war against the British. So, what's the main reason? You can understand. So, first he can give the post, Nawab post. Next, can dethrone to can give the post of Mir Jafar. That's why he was angry with Britishers and can started the got the help to Shuja-ud-Dowla, Shah Alam and Mir Qasim can declare the war in 1764 and this war is the name Buxar War. In this battle, Hector Munro of the British defeated the combined force of Mir Qasim. The Nawab of Oudh took refuge the Rohilkhand and Shah Alam took the side of the British. Mir Qasim had to run away from the battlefield. So overall combined forces can started the early time can started the war. So finally Shah Alam also can come to British side. Mir Qasim ran away from the battlefield. So what's the result of uh, Buxar War? Mir Jafar again became the Nawab of Bengal. Battle of Buxar established the British East India Company. This war led to the expansion of British influence from Bengal to Allahabad. You can imagine, children, this is the result. They obtained Diwani rights, overall collection of taxes, responsibility from Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II in Bengal provinces. In 1765 century, after the death of Mir Jafar, Nizam Uddaulah became the Nawab of Bengal. So continue the British supremacy. So can give all the permission, collecting the tax, overall economical power, the hand of Britishers only can maintain. So next can started Carnatic Wars in 1746 to 1763. Carnatic was one of the regions of Mughal Empire. So that is the one region, province. The Coromandel area, the coastal regions of the present Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, and is later land are called as Carnatic by the British. Already you know that. So competition between British and French to only trade monopoly over the South India led to the Carnatic Wars. Three major battles took place in the Carnatic, hence this war also called Carnatic Wars. First, second and third Carnatic Wars. So first Carnatic Wars 1746 to 48. What is the main causes for the first Carnatic War? The competition and jealousies. So not only already know that Shah Alam second, so many local rulers also can give the competition also. The competition of jealous between the British and the French over trade and political ambitions. That is the first reason. And the second, the war between British and French in Europe. So this is in Europe 7-year war. Can call it in Europe, but in our country, so that is all the 7 years can call it, that is Carnatic Wars. Over the issues of succession in Austria in Europe led to war in India. That's the main reason. India also can declare war, and in Europe also French and Britishers can give the competition. So in India, Arcot was the capital of Carnatic provinces. We know that after the victory over southeastern coast, the English were making attempts to capture Pondicherry from the French. So already know that French trading center Pondicherry. So Britishers can capture the Pondicherry in relation Duplex. So that is the Governor General of Duplex. The French governor captured Madras. So when was Britishers captured the Pondicherry, at the same Duplex also can capture the Madras. Madras is the Britishers trading center. So can started the competition. The English approached Nawab of Arcot, Anwaruddin, for help. Nawab sent his army to recapture Madras, but the Nawab's army was defeated. At the meanwhile, in Europe, the war between the English and French ended and the peace treaty was signed. At the same time, in Europe, come to treaty. As it is our country's Carnatic regions already know that competition between French and Britishers, so can come to treaty. This treaty was applicable to the British and French in India also. So that is Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. So French achieved upper hand in the first Carnatic War. This ended with the treaty Aix-la-Chapelle. So what's the result of first Carnatic War? English captured Madras. So get back to Madras. French strengthened their position in the Arcot. This enhanced the prestige of Dupleix. Prisoners of war on both the sides were released. So who are the occupied places and someone prisoner can release it. So this is the result of first Carnatic War. So next second Carnatic War held 1749 to 1754. So what's the main causes for the second Carnatic War? In the changed circumstances, French made Salbat Jung, another son of Asfa Jah, as the Nizam of Hyderabad. An officer named Bussi was stationed in Hyderabad for the protection by French. So at the same time, the Arcot and Hyderabad, the problem succession arose. This is the main causes for the war. And second one, the competition for the power arose between the Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin in Arcot at the same time, and between Nazir Jung and Muzaffar Jung in Hyderabad. So the secret negotiation Dupleix created a confederation of Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung. They defeated and killed Anwaruddin, and his son Muhammad Ali escaped to Tiruchinappalli. Chanda Sahib in Arcot, Muzaffar Jung in Hyderabad became Nawab with the French support. So can give the help to French, only can give the help to Chanda Sahib. After some time, Muzaffar Jung was killed. The French brought Salbat Jung in his place. At the meanwhile, the English were annoyed the account of this. So once again captured Arcot and killed Chanda Sahib. Muhammad Ali was made a Nawab of Arcot. Chanda Sahib place, so Muhammad Ali was made a Nawab of Arcot. After his war, Dupleix was recalled by the government of France. This war ended with Pondicherry Treaty. So in second Carnatic War, which treaty? Pondicherry. So in first war, first Anglo Carnatic War, Aix-la-Chapelle. Second Carnatic War ended with the treaty Pondicherry in 1754 century. What's the result of second Carnatic War? The power and influence of the French was reduced in Arcot region, and English secured the right to collect taxes and maintain army units. So can continued. So second Carnatic at Arcot and French Hyderabad safeguarded their might. Britishers can settle fully, so can give all the support to local rulers, can give the support only Britishers. Next, third Carnatic War held 1758 to 1763. In Europe, war of 7 years. Europe war of 7 years started between the British and French in 1756 century. This resulted in the war between the French and the British in India in the form of third Carnatic War. This is the form of, as it is in French, Europe also can declare the war, as the same time can declaring in India also. The forces of British under the command of Harcourt and French forces under the command of Comte de Lally faced each other at Vandivash near Pondicherry. The French lost the battle and surrendered to the British. At the meanwhile, the 7 years war in Europe come to an end and the Paris Treaty was signed. With this, the third Carnatic War also come to an end. So that is the end. What's the result of third Carnatic War? The political and military might of Europe and French, especially all the in French, ended in India. The British emerged as the most powerful forces among all the Europeans in India. Subsidiary alliances. Next, subsidiary alliances can made 1798 century only. The English Governor General Lord Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliances in 1798 century. So this is most important legislation and led to the expansion of British Empire in India and overall control and overall politics in can started in India. Lord Wellesley well planned and encouraged the kings to avail military aid from the British to stay safe from their enemies. So, the same cases the kings were coerced to take the support. What are the conditions of subsidiary alliances? Rulers who accepted this policy had to maintain English army contingents in their kingdom. So one contingents, any one king can accept the subsidiary alliances, so can maintain English army. War expenses had to be paid in monetary form to the British, so can give all the expenses, food facility, staying facility, every month can give the salary. So overall in charge. The king had to have a British resident in the court and the expenses borne by the rulers himself. So only kings can do the work. What's the result of subsidiary alliances? Huge military expenses made Indian states economically weak. So, in British Army, one military roof contingents can give the salary, food, all the. So that is the result. Economically weak, so more expenses. That's why British took control of vast land. States which came under this policy lost their sovereignty. The states that came under the treaty of subsidiary alliances. So many kingdoms can accept subsidiary alliances. First kingdom, you go to any one competition exam, competitive examination you can attend. Who is the first Indian king accept the subsidiary alliances? Hyderabad, Nizam first. So next many Indian ruler Mysore, Travancore, Baroda, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bharatpur, Nagpur, Gwalior, Audh, Tanjavur, Surat and other local king can accept the subsidiary alliances. This is the result of subsidiary alliances. So next topic, policy of doctrine of lapse. In 1848 only can started. This is also one of the cunning policy of British. So already know that subsidiary alliance is also one of the cunning policy, and policy of doctrine of lapse. This is the worst cunning policy. British Governor General Lord Dalhousie introduced the policy of doctrine of lapse, declared that if any Indian ruler had to adapt its son, the son would have no right to ascend the throne. Nephew already know that, so there is no son, so can adapt its son. There is no rights to the son. All property can occupy Britishers only. The princely state whose ruler died without the male heir was annexed by the British. This law was against the tradition of adoption that was in practice in India. Before there is a Mysore regions also, Kittur and Channamma also know that in India since ancient times, so that policy is there. What is the result of doctrine of lapse? An account of this treacherous policy, Audh, Satara, Nagpur, Jhansi directly come under the British. By the time Lord Dalhousie returned to England, 2 by 3rd of India was under the rule of the British. So overall can come to rule. So all That's why this lesson is supremacy over India. Political supremacy especially can occupy many places, so can started ruling. So children, so one activity I give. So this is a Robert Clive. Already know that in Battle of uh, Plassey War. So he was only can participated one activity. So can draw India map, can label the Battle of Plassey, Buxar War and Carnatic War. So only places only can mention. Search a map or Google. So which one place Battle of Plassey, Buxar War and all the three Carnatic War. Label it. Thank you. Have a nice day.